Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm section we are going to build a very small calculator. It will do multiply, divide, add and subtractions. So first we need to get two inputs and then we'll give user an options which one we want to do it, divide or multiply or add or subtractions. So first we say console, write, enter first number, and then I will say var, I write first, then I will say convert to double, because this is for division. When we divide two numbers we want to get precision, so I will say console read line, this is first number, and the second I will say console write, and then I will say enter second number, say var second equally say convert to double, and I say console write line. Here we get two inputs from the user, and then I will use switch. I will not use the if, because switch is functioning faster than the if statement. And then here we'll give here we'll say console write line, and we'll say choose any number from 1 till 4. And I will say var and say result, and then we'll say console read line, and then I will say console write line. First one, let's say multiply, second sub add, console write line. Third we say divide, and the fourth we say subtract. I hope I write it right. Subtract, yeah. And then from expression I will write result, and then I will write my statement. First one, case 1, I will put here break, I will say console write line, and then here I will say result, and my result first one is multiply, I will say first multiply second, this first one, and let's do the second one. Write the break, and we say result, and here we'll say add, we'll say first plus second. That's our add. And let's do for the third one is divide, and then we say divide console right line, and then we say divide first, divide second, and then let's for the fourth one console right line, and let's say result, and let's say first subtract second one, and let's say for default if it is not from 1 till 4, we just give an error, say or message please choose from 1 until 4. That's our simple algorithm in math. So let's run it and put in theory. Let's first number is 5 and second is 10. I made a mistake. I think first I put this one under this one. Let's cut this one and let's paste here, and let's run it again. First number 5, second number is 10, and also which one I want to do it. For example, I want to multiply, it will be 50. I will choose 1, result is 50. Let's do 5, 10 again, and the second is add, it will be 15. Is working. That's for the third, 5, 10, and you say divide is 3. Let's choose 3 is 0, 0.5, 0.5, and that's the last one is subtraction. Last one, first number I will put 10, second is 5, and then I choose subtract, and the result will be 5. Yeah, it's functioning. And also we can do like this. If we don't want a negative number, we can say math. We have math class, and then we have absolute, you know. If it is negative number, it will turn to the positive. And let's run it. I will write first 5, second is 10, and then I will choose subtract, it is 5. As you see, that is functioning normally. I hope you like it. Please, if you like it, subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye.